Clyde Road.
I want to send all of us to the ocean.
Yeah, do it with the it doesn't have
Three,
to.
two, one.
Just kidding. You look like Super Saiyan.
Science like
For about 30 kilometers, continue straight on.
Daddy, can you push it? Enough there. No.
Smile, Eli!
Stinky Eli. Or Kuya.
Mabasa ka sapatos mo ka?
Smile your obet, Eli!
No.
Arkin!
Ship.
Arkin!
Titanic.
No, Eli, let's switch because I'm the king. Next.
I'm getting
Eli,
some
guys, eat. Look.
Hey, that's my food.
I can exactly. Pretend to eat. Pretend to eat. Next, finish. Yeah, no.
Hey, no. Your shoes.
Look at the backpack, me. Look at the backpack. Shh. Attack!
We'll give you Robux and Jamie. After we go in the house. That's gonna
It's like we're in Switzerland.
That's our house. That's Snow Island. Yeah. You know that? Look how we climb. Teachers is that's how we never. That's my car. Somebody come.
Harry, Max.
Superhero cow. Yeah.
Lord, for seeing your beautiful creations. Yeah.
Pineapple dito.
Hello guys! Hello! If you want a barbecue, oh, look at the view outside. My God, this is so nice. Here, there's a barbecue here. Let's go see the picture. I like this place to Arkin.
this is my room.
Now you
Come
to-
inside my
Go,
room.
go, show your room.
This is the master's bedroom.
Yes.
This is our room with sak-sak and our toilet and bath
Oh, nice.
with my full
May
bath.
pwede shampoo doon. Wow. Perfect.
And this is my closet.
This is empty. Wow. Dami
With a
vacuum na.
little bit.
Let's see this one too. This is so perfect. Wow.
I need our new boat.
Arkin, your shoes will get wet.
Can I try?
Siguro na.
Arkin, your shoes will get wet, anak, ha?
Hey, look at this. Yeah, well, let's have a battle. Carmen, battle car. You can't see me, right? Pretend you can't see me up to the sky. Hey, are you done? No, wait, close your eyes. I told you to close your eyes. Ew, it smells like foot. Arkin, I'll let you
No,
try.
no, not
I'll let
Arkin
you try.
because the tummy of Arkin is very sensitive.
Wait, are you sure? Arkin, taste. No, it's honey. It's honey. Yummy? It's yummy?
Don't put it down. Oh, mga pizza-bli-bli. Ah,
Where's the mermaid?
there in the tree. Now just keep walking.
Happy papantay pala diya. Ano? Nantay ko mag-
Oh, so tinitagit kita. Lagaman! You throw down ang video nyo.
Show that baby.
I'm videoing you.
Yeah. Oh, you guys look at this stone. Look at this stone.
Tayon ka na, let's go there. You walk.
You go walk.
The lawn tree.
Harapan nyo.
Ano pa yan?
Tay, pangalan tayo naman dyan.
Woo!
Lutok mo silang lawkin.
Yang ori na niya natuto na bi kagap-gapo na nagtrabaho tay panagtiles. How are you guys? Straight. Na.
How about you, Matt? You don't have $5. Only those dancing. Oh, very good Oh, very good guys. Very good. Okay, move back a little bit. Okay, so I can see you all. That's the one. See? Whoa. Okay, move back a little bit.
Stop pushing me.
Move back a little bit. Move back a little bit so that I can see you all. See, look at. How about you, Zach? How's your dancing? Eli. Oh, Kuya Matt.
No,
Ah.
I don't know the one.
How about you, Zach? Come on. Zach, your dancing move. Okay, that's Zach turns. Okay, go. Ooh. Very good What's the name of your dance, Zach? Boogie dance. Boogie dance.
That make me fall down.
It's okay. It's accident.
No, don't use. Put it in your own. Whoa. Stop going around.
You can just sit.
Matt, no.
Tara sa kay dapandan sa dito yung pudo na.
Sisi Ben.
Bye.
I know. Mommy. Daddy, do you have something to drop so I can pick it up? I did not. I'm just doing it. Can you get the leaf? That one. Please, I want to pick it up. Come. Hey, come. No, I don't want to. Stay here.
Maybe roll your pantalon and put your feet on it.
Oh,
wow.
I'm jumping under there.
Saksak.
Sisi Ben. Ay, basta rin.
Arcade, put your head down.
Oh. Rocky. It's actually hard. This is so slow.